Introduction to TC5000 Fire Alarm Hosting and Programming. This fire alarm host is designed with modularity. All modules can be hot swappable. Equipped with a large color screen, can display all alarm information in real time. It can connect to 15 device types, including heat detector, smoke detector, manual call point, etc., up to 128 points each loop. Remember to key data when installing. The bus circuit resistance should be maintained at 5000 ohms. Line insulation resistance should exceed 20 mega. 3 steps for debugging. Install the detector base first. Program the devices with programmers. Finally, do the alarm test to verify the system. The system linkage adopts offline programming. TCZS.txt pipe equipment note. TCLD.txt tube linkage logic. Pay attention to the format. To include loop addressing device type, linkage rules can be set up to 4600. You can combine conditions with mathematical expressions. Remember a few shortcuts in daily operations. Bypass key to isolation fault equipment. Cancel bypass key to restore. If you encounter a power problem, check the 220 volts first. All operation records are automatically saved. You can print paper logs. The system has 3 permission settings: users, technicians, and admins for 3 operation authorities.